maybe before I continue, just a brief overview about Aweber. This is a website where you can create an email account, and you can create it free of charge, or you can go for the pro version or the paid account. So like I've mentioned, I've come to share with you how to set up an email account in Aweber, and for this purpose we shall use the free option. Yes, so before you think of even getting an email account from Aweber, first of all you must have a domain. For example, my domain is lydiamnene.com, so you get an email from your domain. For example, I use lydia@lydiamnene.com. So depending on what you want for your domain, that's what you get. And I'm putting a link below this video where you can go and get cheap domains, and also putting another link where you can go and click and sign up for this free email account on Aweber. So here we go. When you get your link, you will see something like this. So after that, you put in your email. You put in your email. For example, here my email is actually, when you're starting up, of course you have to sign up. So after I've got a new account, then you go to login. Well, after like clicking the link where you can get a free email account, that is sign up. But then here I'm putting for you, like I already have an account, so I'm just logging in. So my name is Lydia, and my email I use is lydia@lydiamnene.com. So you click. Yeah, since this is my computer, I saved in my password, so you just have to log in. So we are logging in. So when you log in, you come to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you will see something like this. The first section on your left, you will see the different links, or the different as in sections to this website. And then we have this side here where you have people. This is subscribers, sales, if you've made sales, then creating landing pages, then scheduled broadcasts. You can schedule broadcasts. Maybe broadcast is, these are messages you can, like maybe your business, you want to communicate to your subscribers on your email list. You go for the broadcasts. You design a message and then broadcast it, or you send it. So here is sent broadcast, then list. Yeah, if you're having a free as a free account, you are supposed to have one list. If you have a paid up account, you can get as many lists, I think, as you want. Not so sure about this, but at least you get many lists. So this is our interface, or the dashboard. Yes, so before you go on to do anything, you need to start with setting up your email lists. You need to do settings for your email list. So here we are on this page. You have to name basic settings here. You have to name your email list, and your email list will have a unique list ID. So mine, I named it Partner with Anthony Opt-in. You can write a description of your email list here. You can then you go on and put in the email, then the from email. These are very, very sensitive, because this is what your subscribers will see whenever they get an email from you. Then you put in the contact details. Yes, and then you save. Don't forget to save, because if you don't save, then things will not you may have to repeat it. Whatever you put in will disappear. So we go to this link, personalize your list. Here you put in like your details, your email, signature, you upload your picture, like me, I uploaded mine here. Then you connect social media accounts. This is basically personalizing. Then another very important area is confirmation message. Confirmation message, whenever people, as in someone as in fills in their email and subscribes, these people can either get a confirmation, they can either, as in they get a confirmation message where they will have to confirm whether they want to do what, they want to receive emails from you. But you can bypass this option, and instead of putting in a confirmation message, the moment they put in their emails, then they go on your list. If you want confirmation messages, then when they put in their email, they'll get an email in their emails to where they will click to confirm. But personally, I had to bypass this stage because some people, they can put in their emails here and then they fail to do it, they fail to confirm. So I had to bypass that. But there are advantages of someone doing what, someone confirming. These people, by the time someone confirms that he wants to receive emails from you, then that is an advantage. Such people are more committed than these ones who just put in their emails and then they don't confirm. So it's up to you to choose. And then after someone has put in their emails, you can either get a thank you page, or you can decide to customize that area. For example, here, when someone signs in my email, as in someone puts in their emails, I made it custom that after someone has clicked to accept, as in to submit the email, they'll go to my partner with Anthony sales page, which is here. So those are our basic settings. I hope it's clear now. So from there, I want us to go ahead and design a landing page. So landing pages, these are pages that you use to promote. This is the first page. Someone who you want to subscribe to your email list will see. And you must make it so attractive, so beautiful, so that people are encouraged to put in their email address. So here we click on our page, on our link for landing pages. So these are so far the landing pages I've designed on my account, as you can see. So you go on to create a landing page. So if you want to create a landing page, you go on your left hand side upper corner, then you click on create a landing page. So creating a landing page, there are templates that you can use to create a landing page. So these are some of the templates, and I prefer building from scratch, but maybe let's just click on one landing page to see. So here we have, you can either choose this one or first have a preview and see if you really want it. So let's preview this one, payment plan. Yes, this is how it looks. You cannot edit in the preview because it's just a preview. So you see it, this is how it looks. So if you feel you want this one, then you go back and then choose it. But like I've mentioned, I prefer building from scratch. So this is our preview of the one that is for building from scratch. Here it is. I must say it's empty because this one you can all take it away so that you can start building your own landing page. So we close the template. So we go to choose, because this is what we are going to work with. My connection is a bit slow today, I don't know why, but I hope you're following what I'm sharing. I need those comments in the comment area. So this is our template that we've come up with, and I would prefer we start by deleting what is in here, because we want it free, we want it empty. Yes, These are the different sections. Maybe we can start from here. So this side is our side for the elements. So if you want to like text, you go to the text area. We have the image, we have video, button, forms. They are in here, up to down. You can scroll. So we are going to design a simple landing page. So I'm going to use mostly text. Yes, some people are more graphic designers than me, so I'm designing a simple one. But if I take time, I think I can build something that is better than this. But for purposes of our video, let us make a simple one. So we drag our text and then bring it this side. Our text element. Yes, so this is our text element, and I designed the information I want to put in here on my Microsoft Word. I used Microsoft Word to design because I don't want to take a lot of time typing, thinking. So I took time, did this on the side. Let me open our documents for so I'm opening our Word document here, where I have the information I want to put in this template or this landing page. So this is our title. I did it from a side, and then I just paste here. Yes, this is our title. Then I can also drag another element for text still. If I want an image, I go here. If I want to put a video, I can go here. And you can as well even put in your YouTube videos directly from your YouTube account. You can do that. So today we are designing a simple one. So you drag this element for text. Yes, for text here, and then I go to my Microsoft Word document, copy, and then I paste here. Yes, so far so good. This is what we have. You can go ahead and have a preview to see what you've designed so far. This is our template so far. Yes, you can go back to edit so that you make more changes. I'm going to remove this section here because I don't think I need it. All the information I want is there. Yes, and also this section I don't need it, and also this section I don't need it. Also this section I don't need it. You can change anything when you're in this area, this editing area. This one is refusing to go out. Let me just drag a form. We need this form because, let me see. Yes, this is our form. Here we can change these details. All these details we can change them. You can even delete this upper part. You can really basically change most of these things. So this is our form. So if someone wants if someone is to give you their email address, they have to put in their name here and email. But then you must note that for this link to be active, someone must put in their emails. So, and you can still change this. Personally, I linked mine to the sales page of my partner with Anthony link. I connected it there. You can do this, and you can do this, and this is in the settings. Remember, we had to do the settings before coming here. So this is, I put here, click to watch Anthony explaining. You put anything that you want. So this is me, this is what I did. And then we can go to our preview to see our landing page. Yes, this is how our landing page looks like. If you're satisfied with it, then you save and exit. If you're not, you go back to editing. Yeah, and when you click here like this, you find that this side here is highlighted, as in you can work on this section using this side and this menu here. So now if you want to change, for example, the background, you just click here. You can try to make it red, as you can see, any color that you want, but for purposes of our tutorial today, we shall leave it white. And then also, if you want to put in links, that when someone comes on your landing page, he can click and link. You can link your website, you can link maybe your YouTube channel, you can link any video, anything that you want to link. For example, here you can click here, and then a pop-up window will come, and then you fill in. You can fill in, maybe depending on what you want, aweber.com. Then you click OK. So when you do this, let's have our preview. You find that this is highlighted, so someone can click here and it takes the person to the Aweber website, depending on what you want. So you can see, yes. So this is our landing page. I hope you can now design your own landing page. I hope you've learned what we have shared. I hope you can now design it. Thank you for watching this video. My name is Lydia Mnene, an entrepreneur. I'm based in Kampala, Uganda. My channel is about travel and affiliate marketing. I've recorded a number of videos about travel and affiliate marketing. Please find time and watch them. And if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button. If you've liked it, please give this video a thumbs up, share this video. I need comments from you. I need to hear from you. Otherwise, stay well. Next time I'll be producing another video where maybe I'll look at the let me see, I'll look at maybe designing a message or messages, and like creating campaigns, because you cannot just end at the landing page. We need to create campaigns. So I'll record another video about creating campaigns and making messages or drafting messages. Thank you for coming along. I wish you well. I hope this video has edified you. Stay safe. Bye bye.